Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Leaders of the local Rastafarian groups are demanding an update on the investigations into recent cases of alleged abuse involving Rastafarians. The matter was raised Wednesday at a press briefing. Our reporter, Dwayne Anderson, was there.
Justice delayed is justice denied. That's how leaders of local Rastafarian groups feel about recent cases of alleged abuse of members. Among them is 19-year-old Nzinga King from Clarendon, who allegedly had her hair trimmed while in police custody at the Four Parts police station. Nzinga wore a traditional Rastafarian head wrap when I spoke with her Wednesday. She said she has received counseling.
I have been keeping up because I just try to have that positive, always have that positive mindset. I always try to be in positive circle where they are empowering persons trying to inspire you, persons who want to see something good going on for you. It is important. So an example will be set. Persons will think twice, and I just want all of this to stop. I want persons' rights to not be violated. I want everyone to treat persons equally.
Now it has been 6 weeks since the incident involving the 19-year-old, and the case has gone too quiet for the group's liking.
Transfer the police lady to another station? No, we think that she should be summarily dismissed. And when the usual drug feed policy of talking about you're going to investigate and so on, we know that is a waste of time. And a month passed, 2 months passed, and 5 years passed, and we see the games play. Brothers and sisters, we say that enough is enough.
Another contentious and long-standing issue is what they say is the harassment of members by the police for possession of ganja.
Strangely enough, the police have not been educated towards the new ganja amendment law that Rastafarians have certain rights. And to carry it further, many of the judges have not been made aware that there is a new dispensation with regards to Rastafari rights. So we have Rastafarians on their way to a Nyabingi with 5 pounds of herbs, 6 pounds of herbs, and they are arrested and brought before the court, and the judges say, no, you don't have a right to carry so much. Yet the law permits you your sacramental rights.
The Rastafarians also listed several demands of the government, including the creation of a code of conduct for how members are to be treated at police stations, hospitals, and in court. They want this policy to be in writing by the end of 2021. A campaign known as I Respect will also be started on social media that it is hoped will help change the negative mindset some members of the public have towards Rastafarians. Reporting for TVJ News, I'm Dwayne Anderson.